a sweet girl. Hey, what's a big smile there? Look at that. Whee! So did you take a big nap after your last adjustment? Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, a little bit stuck on that side. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's a spot. You feel it? A strong girl. It's a strong girl. Oh. Oh. What is that tongue doing? Oh, that was good. So she's very tight on that right side. The TL junction right there. Although it's not as bad like last time she was giving us the look.
Yeah.
This time not so much. Better. That's a little better. Yes, girl. Oh. Oh, that feels good too. Just have a look to it. This is really girl. Oh, yes. Let's spin her around. Hi, baby. Yes, girl. Where you going? All right, go see your mommy. Go see your mommy. Let's have you stand up. Let me come a little closer here. There we go. Hi, baby. Who's that? Yes, girl. That's so sweet, baby. Good girl. Very nice.